Hey guys, Tyler Horvath here. Did you know that it can take up to 1 year to rank on the first page of Google after starting a website? If you don't want to wait for this and you would like to get ranked faster, I'm going to show you how you can start a website and you can rank really fast. So when you initially buy a domain name, most people will go to GoDaddy.com or Name Solutions or whatever, and they will buy a domain name that's brand new. Now, what's great about this is that you're going to get a name that might have your keyword in it. It might have your brand name in it, and that's great and all. But it's going to take a really long time to build backlinks to that domain and get it going and get it ranked in Google. So using this method, you can start a website or an e-commerce business, and you can get it ranked a lot faster than normal. So here's how it works. First, you are going to find an expired domain name. So what is an expired domain name? Well, if you know about domains, you know that you pay for them yearly, unless you pay multiple years out. But you pay yearly, and when that expires, then you no longer have access to that domain name. So this happens a lot of the time on the web, and people either give up on the website, or maybe they stop paying for their server, whatever. There's a ton of different reasons that it can happen, but domains expire all the time. So we can use this to our benefit, and we can buy an expired domain name that has a ton of great links already pointed to it. So I'm going to show you how you can find an expired domain name online that already has a ton of great link juice. So here is how you do that. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how you can find an expired domain name that already has some great backlinks to it. So we're going to use this website called expireddomains.net, and we already have an account here. So now we're going to search for domain names that have recently expired, and we're going to see what we can find. So let's say that we want to start a website about, let's say we want to sell chairs. So we're going to search for chair. Now there's some settings that you want to change here, because this is just going to show you all the recently expired domain names. So we're going to show domain names that are available to order. So some of these are like back order, you can buy them for a high price, but we're only going to get ones that are actually expired, and we're only going to have to pay $8 or whatever the yearly fee is for wherever we buy it from, whether it's GoDaddy or Network Solutions or whatever. So let's click Show Filter, and let's check only available domain names. So it's only going to show us available domains, and we only want .coms. So we're going to say .coms only. Now you can do .net, .org, all that kind of stuff, but I would stay away from any of these crazy, .mobi, .pro, .asia, all those. .coms are the most trusted, and I would stick to that. So apply that filter. And now you're going to see all of these domain names that are ready to buy and are expired. So there's a ton of different filters that you can use here. I like to start with backlinks, so you can sort it by the amount of backlinks that it has already. So we can see there's some decent ones here already. So let's check out this first one. It's kind of a weird name, but it's got some backlinks already. So we're going to go over here to Ahrefs, and we're going to put this domain name in here to see how many backlinks it has. Now you can do this in a number of different tools depending on what you use. I like Ahrefs the best. So we can see the backlinks here. Now it's important to check them out to see if they're like good backlinks or if they're just spam backlinks. So checking this out, it looks like there was an actual site here, and that there's some good backlinks to it. Now the problem with this one is that a lot of these don't have anything to do with chairs. So this website wasn't actually a chair website. It just has chair in the domain name. So I'm going to go back and keep looking here. So we can also try and sort by DP. So this is domain pop. So this is the number of backlinks from different domains. So it's important to have a lot of different domains backlinking to you, and not just one domain with a million backlinks. So let's try this one, Fox Chair. This looks like a pretty good one here. So the domain rating is pretty good. It has a decent amount of backlinks, decent amount of domains. Let's make sure these backlinks are legit.
Okay, so it looks like these are some pretty legit backlinks here. Got some massage chair backlinks, and we can even see these previous pages that it was trying to rank for. So this looks like a perfect domain for us to use to start our chair site and start selling chairs. So now that you've found that domain name, now it is time to create a website on that domain.
Okay, now that you found that perfect domain name that has your keyword in it and it's already got some great link juice to it, now we can build our website. So whether you're starting a blog or a service-based website or an e-commerce site, all depends on what you're going to use to set up your website. If you're using e-commerce, you can use Shopify or BigCommerce. There's a ton of great e-commerce platforms that you can use out there to get started. If you're wanting to do like a blog or a service page or a service website, you can just use WordPress and get a simple site set up. Don't really need to worry too much yet about how perfect it is. Just get it up, and we're gonna get it ranked as fast as possible. So now that you have your website, now we can start ranking some pages that were already ranked on the previous website. So now I'm going to show you how we can look at the past pages of the expired domain name we bought and create similar pages that we can use to pass that link juice on to our money pages. So here's how you do that.
Okay guys, now that you have your domain name and your website set up and ready to go, it's time to start creating those old pages that the expired domain name has and start using those to rank your website better. So there's a few different ways you can do it. As you saw in the video before, in Ahrefs, we can see a lot of these URLs that are being backlinked to already from these pretty good sites. So this would be a great way to start. So we can create a page for Inada massage chair reviews. We can create a page for Panasonic massage chair reviews, and etc. etc. You can go down this list and you can just start creating these pages, and then either write yourself or get a writer to write relevant content for that page. Now these links are already linking to these pages, so you will get ranked for these keywords super fast because these pages were already they're already in Google's index, and these links are still linking to them. So another way to do it is to use the Wayback Machine. So you can come to the Wayback Machine and you can put in your domain name, and you can go to like the bulk of where all of the previous cached sites are, and you can click on these and you can see what the site used to look like. And sometimes you can find pages by looking at the Wayback Machine. So sometimes it takes a while to load here. So this one doesn't have anything, so we can go to the next one. Okay, so it looks like there's a site on this one now because we can see the title. So here's what the site used to be. So this is perfect of what we want. So we can go down this page, we can go down this here. So it looks like it was just an Amazon affiliate site, which is perfect. Because we can just recreate all of these pages that they used, and we can create good content and put them on these pages. So this is another great way to find old pages and recreate them from expired domains. So pretty much just go through these two methods and find all the pages that you can and start creating content on those pages, and you will see that they will get ranked really fast because there's already all of these sites backlinking to it, and it's that simple.
Okay, now we've created these pages that are from the old page that had a bunch of links to it, and now these should start ranking really, really fast because there's already a ton of backlinks pointing to these pages. So once we repurpose those pages for what we want for our website, you're going to see a lot more ranking increase because there's already those great links pointed to it. So here is how you start a website and get it ranked fast. This is a great method that I've used for over 10 years to get websites started fast and to generate better backlinks to my already made previous sites. So I hope this helped you, and if you have any questions, please comment below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more great SEO tips and ways to start and grow businesses online. Thanks, and have a great day.